My name is Srihara Singh, and in this video I will be discussing the question set 22 of DBMS question sets day 5. This discussion is interconnected with the last few discussions, and as well as I am using the same scenario of question set 16. Therefore, I will be using the same database, the database exam marks DB. So let's go to our PDF question set 22. And first question, find details of the students who participated in Sinhala subject, that means Sinhala language and literature, in the examination held on 15th of March 2020. Asterisk mark, two tables for this subject table and the exam term table. So four tables this time. Let's type our query. And then we now join subject table to that table, uh, and to that table we now join the exam term table, and lastly for the condition we use the subject name and the exam date. Let's execute our query. So as you can see, these are the results that we acquired from our query. Let's see the second question. Find out the marks of the examination in which the student appeared on 15th March of 2020. We have to find the term, the index number, and the subject. Salud Vijayaratne needs a condition. Find the marks in which the student appeared on 15th March of 2020 is also a condition, and you have to find the term, the mark, the index number, and the respective subject. So let's type our query. So this is the second query, and we have to find the values of these columns. So firstly, we have inner join the student exam mark record table with the exam term table. Uh, as this table contains the ID of the respective exam term table and exam term, and this contains the exam name, the term name. Then we have inner join the subject table, so we can get the subject name, the respective subject name. And lastly, we have inner join the student table. As we have the condition in that table, we have used it that way. And lastly, we have concluded our query using our condition, first name, the last name of the student, and the exam date. And we have used and the and keyword, so all of these conditions should be satisfied. So let's execute our query. Uh, so this is our output. So as you can see, this is the output we received. Let's see the third question. Um, find the name, marks, term of examination of the students. The name, the marks, the term of the examination of the students who obtained mark between 740 to 70 in the subject of mathematics, which was held on 10th of July of 2020. Let's type our third query. So this would be our third query, and these are the values that we are um, supposed to get. And firstly, we have inner join these two tables. Then we have inner join our exam term table to this inner join table, and then to that inner join table, we have inner join the subject table, and we have concluded our query using this condition, these three values. So these three values must be satisfied in order to get our output. So now let's execute our query. So as you can see, this is the output that we have received. Let's see the fourth question. What's the highest scoring student in the first term out of all of the subjects? So first term out of all of the subjects, the student, I think we have to find all of the details. So an asterisk mark, and the highest mark means we have to use the max keyword. We will use it as a subquery. So this would be our fourth query. Let's execute and see our result. So we have received Amanda Moses details as our answer. If I explain about this, query, we have firstly used this subquery. We have using this query, we have acquired the maximum mark. We have derived the maximum mark out of all of the first term marks. Then using that mark, we have derived the index number of that student, and using that index number as the condition, we have selected all of the columns and selected that specific row. So that's the query in simple terms. And so all in all, that would be the end of the discussion of question set 22 of DBMS question sets A5. And thank you.